So why is your Apple Watch alarm not going off? Let me show you some reasons which could be causing that thing. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. Okay, so the first important question is, did you set up the alarm directly on the Apple Watch or on the iPhone? Because there could be the distinction. Because if you go to the Watch app on the iPhone where you control the settings of the Apple Watch, and go to the clock section, so you have like all of the apps in here, and you could go to the clock. You have one toggle which is called push alerts from iPhone. If you have that turned on, it means that you set up an alarm on the iPhone and it will also ring and go off on the Apple Watch. If you keep it turned off, then it will only ring on the iPhone if you set it up on that device. However, you can also just go to the Apple Watch alarm app and set up the alarm for, the watch only. And, that isn't really important. Then this toggle doesn't make any difference because you set up the watch for the alarm to go off, and it should because you set it up there. However, there is one more thing which I believe you should know about, because you might also be using the silent mode on the Apple Watch. I personally use it 24/7. And when you are setting up alarms on the watch, you have one toggle or one option when you are setting that up, and it is to break through the silent mode. So if you turn it on, it means that even if your Apple Watch is in the silent mode, the alarm will still go off. So it's possible that you are using your watch on silent and probably without that feature enabled. So this could also be causing that issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if we managed to fix that thing for you. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this. And I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.